We're at the Dzikowiec Sports and Recreation Center in the central Sudetes, which are part of the Stone Mountains. We're located in Boguszów-Gorce. This isn't just a ski resort, we're a year-round destination. In the winter, we cater mainly to skiers. In the summer, we're a place for downhill mountain bikers, and we're also a hub for many hiking trails. Today, the awareness of electricity costs made us seriously consider replacing the lighting on our ski slope. We were aware that the incandescent lighting we had was no longer modern. We decided to move in that direction, which meant replacing the lighting, swapping the old floodlights for LEDs. First and foremost, it's about safety but also comfort. The slopes users appreciate that we're a place that offers them the opportunity for night skiing as well. Our main priority was to ensure complete lighting coverage of the slope. That was the most important condition. During the simulation, to decide which floodlights to choose, our main guide was the light intensity. We've received our first bill and we can already see a lower energy consumption. We can see it on the meters, so we'll definitely see the benefits soon. But above all, time was the crucial factor. That's because we started discussing this investment quite late in the year. We knew what we wanted, and by December we had the slope lighting installed, just as we'd planned.